See a fucking cold start. Here's one. Get over to the car. Oh, wow. Hope it starts. Wow. That is fucking insane. Surprised it started. It's like 30 below zero out here. And this hunk of shit started. Can't believe it. It's fucking insane. Down, pick up a fucking grocery order. Wow. Holy hell. Yeah, I got to put together my daughter's dream house. Here we are, we're back in no man's land. Garrett fucking County. Alaska ain't got fucking shit on us, let me tell you. They have all the fucking wild animals and all that shit. Kodiak bear wanting to come fucking kill you. We got fucking minus 32 right now. Minus 30 fucking 2. I haven't seen that since 1983. You throw the salt on the fucking road, it melts the ice for just a little bit and then it turns back into ice. So yeah, this is quite awesome. Makes you sit around and wonder, why in the fuck do I live here? But it's really nice in the summertime, even though the summer is only 4 or 5 months. We're lucky for that. But anyhow, I'm going to welcome you to the Garland's High Performance Garage channel. And it's the day before Christmas. I'm getting last minute bullshit done, getting the fucking groceries and shit. Now I get to let the wind and snow blow up my ass while I unload this shit. As you see off in the distance, it's colder than a whore's dream out. And this is hell if it were to freeze over. Hello everybody. I made it home, unloaded my groceries, and it's really cold in my garage. You can see my breath. It's because an electric went out last night. My heaters quit over here, and I forgot about it. And when I come over here this morning, it's like 28 degrees in here. All my shit froze. Well, some of my shit did. Everything in the refrigerators are fine, but like my bottle of cleaner I left on my workbench. It's solid. And it wasn't last night. Ah, it's a mess in here. But I was putting together the Mecca, the Barbie dream house. You know, one thing that shocked me about this, I'll show you about it, and it's just terrible. Terrible, I tell you, terrible. It's a goddamn electric car charger. They had to make a sticker with electric car charger on it. Jesus Christ. Oh, what are they coming to? Well, they got a smart fridge. They got a smart fridge. And the only thing that's missing while the kit was the damn faucet for the sink. So Barbie can't make her man, Ken, if that's what she identifies as, a woman these days, can't make him wash the fucking dishes. So Ken's kind of fucked. Well, he's probably got a dick with a set of tits anyways. Here's a bathroom. I guess this is a transgender bathroom. The shitter seat is taped shut still. I never took the tape off of it. But I'm guessing that, that's that's a trans bathroom, I guess. Anybody can go there. Men, women, transvestites. Here's their little guardrails in case they decide to make the jump because somebody on social media posted this something they don't like. So I keep them from jumping off, I guess. But then, you got that gap over here. Might not be smart enough to take that route. Man, look at that bed. It's like a prison cell in here. Yeah, a fucking bed. It even folds up. So, you can fold it away during the day when you're posting your TikTok videos in that mirror right there. Oh, I'm going to dance. I'm going to dance in what do they call them? Those influencers. I'm going to be an influencer. Dun, 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 dun. Doing a twerk and shit. Dun, dun, dun. Fucking shit. What the fuck? God damn it. There's even an elevator. So you can get from floor to floor. So, they're not doing any fat shaming these days. So the big fat Lizzo looking women can get up here to the top floor so they can DJ, I guess, and sing their shitty songs with their computer music. Yes, the world's going to hell in a handbasket. Because you couldn't go to hell on a shutter, because a shutter would be, too much work for this Generation Z shit. That wouldn't be a very good influence. Going to hell on a shutter, you'd have to go to hell in a handbasket or a elevator. So, well, my heaters are pumping. They're trying to keep it strong in here. So, I would give you the temperature off this, but my damn thermometer fell down. I gotta fix that. That's an old vintage fucking thing that was in my grandfather's store. I kind of swiped it after they died. I went in there and got it before the auction started. But yeah, it's about 30 in here now. Yeah, it's starting to warm up in here. Plus, the sun is coming out and all that. And my garage door seal kind of failed a little bit. But then when you have 75 mile an hour wind blowing up your ass, snow tends to find itself in every little nook and cranny. So well, it's Christmas Eve, everybody. The hell spawn is almost over. Well, if y'all like Christmas, I'm sorry. I can't help it. Christmas is such a pain in the dick. I tell you, at least Black Friday is over with. That Black Friday bullshit it's done. It's over with. it's probably gone forever because, you know, people are buying shit online like crazy. Well, since the pandemic, I think it's pretty well put a fork in it. You could say it's basically done, but man, I got some cleaning up to do around here. Yeah. All right, everybody. Just have a Merry Christmas. Because, you know, that's what they all don't want you to say. Damn you! Stop saying Merry Christmas, you piece of shit. It's Happy Holidays, goddammit. Whatever. We're going to say Merry Christmas just to piss some people off. I really don't give a rat's ass about it one way or the other. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter to me. I don't care. But, yeah. We're going to go in and warm up, and I'm going to leave my heaters on here over here. The next warm day this week is Wednesday. And it's calling for 50s. Like Friday, Saturday, Sunday next week. Sunday, I think it's supposed to rain in the evening. I'm not real sure about that. But anyway, clean my damn camera lens off. There we go. There we are. But anyway, maybe I'll get a wild hair in my ass to do a cold start later. Maybe. Face is kind of dirty from, well, wiping it from my hands in these dirty gloves. These are gloves I use for work, so. But anyway, I'll catch you later.